Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Thought I would jump into a sale home today. This is the Caborn 16 by 76. It is our sale home this month. Jump on the webpage www.factorydirectmobilehomes.com. Check it out. We've got a really good price going on. This home used to be called the Pokagon, but when we revamped our single wide home series, we came up with the Caborn. And we've done a few things here. We've added an accent wall with the new brick pattern. That's going on. Also, this window cove is a great feature that just gives it a little more class. And they've added the 012 island, lots of storage on the other side. And previous videos that I've put here before, lots of people ask me or say, turn the island around, turn the island around. Well, we would have done that, except we wanted you to be able to get whatever you're storing out of here and be able to cook and hit the countertops with it as well. So if we turn that island around, you would have your backs here, you'd be hitting this refrigerator. So there is a rhyme and a reason why we didn't do that, but this has staggered cabinets, so it's telling me that we've added our package 1 to this, which would include those staggered cabinets, also a lot of other upgrades at a discount. So give me a call, let's talk about it. We're nearing the end of the year here. We've got a lot of great things happening in 2024, and we'd love for you to come visit. Here we go into the master bath. We could do 2 sinks here if we wanted to. I would recommend that we add another 3-bulb light strip up there. Plenty of room here for a walk-in shower. In that package I talked about, we've got a 14 by 40 window. Linen closet over here for lots of storage for towels, makeup, toiletries, medications, whatever you need to put in there. Coming back through to the other end, nice wide open floor plan. I would also enlarge both of those windows. Coming down the hallway, we're going to pass the furnace. We could get a 200 amp service in here for you if you needed it. That's not a problem. Bedroom 2. Turn it around, facing the laundry area. Washer dryer cabinets we've added. And bedroom 3. We've got Nordic white on the floor, Casper cashmere on the wall, glacier quartzite on the countertop, and then that brick accent wall just makes it nice and bright and cheery in here. Gosh, guys, we've had a great 2023, and I just want to tell you thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thanks for watching. Thanks for calling. Thank you for emailing. Thank you for all the things. And I'm really looking forward to 2024. All my information is in the description below. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.